Welcome back. Trusty Rusty Kraken Turbo Miata project. Today I'd like to get this transmission and everything hooked back up so that I can get the turbo going. I have to have the engine sitting right so I can mock up all the fittings and get the turbo clocked right before really we can get it running or anything. Still got quite a lot of stuff to do before we can get to that stage of starting her up, but today Brady's going to join me. We're going to hopefully get this transmission back in. So stay tuned. Gonna go ahead and start with this dirty transmission. Since we had that rear main seal leak, it got oil all over it. That's what you want on your transmission. Yeah. So I'm gonna start soaking it with some degreaser. Hopefully that helps. I decided to brush it off instead of wash it off, and it's working real well. Look how clean we got her. Got a couple things to repair. Got to unwrap the car, take the old exhaust off, find a few bolts. Brady and I are gonna throw this thing in. Huh. Super easy. We ask nicely, we don't ask twice. got the trans back in. Got the PPF all hooked up. Got the drive shaft in and the old exhaust out. We are just scooting along. I think what I'd like to do is get some of the rest of this stuff under here wrapped up. Maybe put the starter in and the slave cylinder. Maybe even the new exhaust. I really need to get all this stuff mocked up before I can even try messing with the turbo. So I'd like to get all this stuff done before we drop it down and start on the top. You want to fight, tape? Guess not. It was scurred. Simons, it's from Sweden. Sweden, ja. This thing is sexy. Wamba! 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 Sweden, it's gotta be M&M's. Look at that, stainless steel V-band 3-inch by Kraken Miata MX-5. Wampa! Well, we got a whole lot of stuff done today. We got the exhaust mocked up. We got the cooling system mocked up. We got some wires plugged back in, some grounds put back in. Things are going really well. Join us next week when we try and get some of the intercooler tubing and the turbo mocked up. I mean, come on. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you around.